Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice bucket in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair, should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice bucket. This ice bucket is located under the ice maker on the top shelf inside the freezer compartment. It stores ice cubes dropped from the ice maker. The main reason to replace the ice bucket is if it's broken or is missing. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. To pull the ice bucket, we just simply take it out, slide it out. This is the old ice bucket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we can install the ice bucket under the ice maker. Okay, now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.